Hi there, my name is Maxim and I'm a software engineer with more than 8 years of production experience. Today I start a new course, it's a Git for beginners. So in this course I will show you why do we need Git and why you have to use it, because it doesn't matter are you front-end engineer or back-end engineer, or you are just beginner or are you experienced developer, you have to know Git and you have to know version control system, any of them. So in this course I will start from the simple. It will be how to install Git, push some changes, pull changes from the remote server, how can we resolve conflicts or reset the latest changes. In the end I will show you how to work with remote repositories and how can we choose the optimal branching strategy. I will show how do we use Git on our everyday work and how can you use it. So good luck and let's start.